In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to masterfully organize and showcase your collection of photographs using the Pro Gallery feature. Whether you're setting up a portfolio, creating a personal blog, or simply displaying a beautiful collection of your work, the Pro Gallery offers versatile options to customize the presentation to suit your unique style. To kick things off, let's navigate over to the Pro Gallery feature. Once there, you'll immediately notice that there are several ways to tailor the appearance of your gallery to best fit your vision. The key here is to experiment with these options and find the setup that most effectively enhances the visuals you're showcasing. Now, as we delve into customizing your gallery, the first thing you'll want to do is click on the Layout button. Doing this will present you with a selection of layout styles. You have a choice between grid, masonry, or slider layouts. This selection is crucial because each layout style will completely transform the way your content is displayed. Choosing the grid layout can offer a clean, orderly presentation, ideal for when you want each photo to stand out equally. This setup is perfect for portfolios or presentations where clarity and uniformity are paramount. The grid creates a stable framework, providing each image its moment in the spotlight without distraction. On the other hand, if you choose the masonry layout, you'll notice that it allows images of varying sizes to fit together in an interesting and dynamic arrangement, which can add a bit of creative chaos and spontaneity to the collection. This layout is perfect for showing a story or project that emphasizes different aspects or details within each piece of work. Alternatively, the slider layout presents images one at a time, sliding from one photo to the next. This option is exceptionally effective for storytelling or when guiding viewers through a series of images meant to be seen in a particular sequence or with a narrative perspective. It engages the viewer more actively, keeping their attention focused on each image as it unfolds in front of them. After selecting the layout style that best suits your vision, be sure to customize the spacing. This is where you can fine-tune the gaps between images, influencing overall clarity and focus. Adjusting the spacing allows you to either emphasize each individual photo or present them as a harmonious collection. Tighter spacing can create a more cohesive unit, whereas wider spacing lets each image breathe and stand independently. Finally, take your time to review the arrangement in the preview. Sometimes, seeing your images in different layouts can offer newfound perspectives and even inspire changes to better match the mood or theme of your gallery. Experiment, enjoy the process, and watch your gallery come to life as you fine-tune these settings. With these steps, you'll have a beautifully organized and visually stunning pro gallery to showcase your images. Happy creating!